fastest of men can't befriend pretty girls politely without wondering what their mouths about. I thought you liked my shop. You used to say that they deserved it. Do you think that you deserve it? Or are you too infant? Are you too pet? Are you someone I should protect? Why? I told you this would happen. If you don't believe my lips, believe your eyes. Believe your eyes. Open your jaw. Scoop out something sweet and sticky. Satiate.